What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here. Welcome back to All About Me. And today we have a very exciting product. I just got this yesterday. This is the latest edition of the Redmi Note 9 series, which is the Redmi Note 9T. And what we have here is the Nightfall Black, 4GB of RAM and 128GB memory. So this was just announced over a week ago. Let's unbox this. And similar to the Mi 10T Pro, this does not come with the outer plastic. It has just some seal on the side itself. So let's open this one. Alright, so we will be greeted with the Designed by Xiaomi box, and inside the box we can see that there is the SIM ejector pin. And we also have some user manual and as well as the soft case. Alright, so, and below that we have the phone with its key specs printed on it. Okay, so below that we have the power adapter. Okay, and we have the Type-C cable. And the charger is at 22.5 watts. Okay, so let's open this, remove the plastic. Let's see how the black looks like. Alright, so at the back there is a little bit of groove in it, which is a nice feel. It's matte color, it has a groove, and you'll have the camera panel over here. So it has triple camera with a flash in it, also together with the camera panel, and yeah, it looks pretty good. I like the feel of this back coating. And up on the top you will have the speaker, and you also have the IR blaster and also the second microphone. And on the side you'll have the volume buttons and the fingerprint sensor, also the on and off button. And at the bottom you'll have the speaker, you have the Type-C USB port, you'll have the microphone, and there's still a 3.5mm jack, and on the other side there is that SIM tray. And also it has already been installed with a screen protector. Okay, so let's power it up. Okay, so this is already running on the MIUI 12. Okay, for its SIM card, it has a dual nano SIM and also a dedicated slot for the SD card. So, which is good because you can have two SIM cards and at the same time put an SD card. And by the way, this has dual 5G support. So both the SIM cards can do dual 5G and you can use it simultaneously. Alright, it seems pretty smooth to me. It looks good. The screen looks good, although this is an LCD display, but it still looks good. It's still pretty clear and crisp in the picture itself. And the bezels are slightly thicker than I expected. The bottom chin is the thickest part. And I like the placement of the camera. If you use this phone for gaming, it won't cover anything on the screen major because it's at the lower left hand side of your screen if it's on a landscape mode, and usually your thumb will just cover it while you're playing the game. And at the back, three rear cameras. One is the main shooter, which is a 48 megapixel with the f1.8, and also we have a 2 megapixel which is f2.4, and also the depth sensing camera, which is the 2 megapixel 2.4 as well. And the other one is an LD flash. Front camera is a 13 megapixel f2.3, and I love that this is 5G, one of the affordable 5G phones out there. And also this has an NFC, so you can use it for your cardless transactions. For the weight, it's only 199 grams, quite minimal for its weight. I would say it's normal. The front has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and the back is plastic. Trying the speakers, it has some decent sound, it has some good quality sound. It is better than the versions of the Redmi Note 9 series. But don't worry, I'll be doing a full review of this phone, so make sure you subscribe and hit on that bell notification icon so you get notified. So once I upload the video itself. As always, see you on the next one.